Welcome to this short video about a tactical rifle scope made by I.O.R in Bucharest in Romania. Most of the people who do a lot of sport and tactical shooting know this company really well. For all others, I can say that this company was established in 1936, well before the Second World War. And it flourished in the time of the Soviet Union. It was one of the biggest optical plants in the 60s and the 70s. But in the recent years, they're focusing mainly on civil market with their rifle scopes for tactical and sport shooting. This is a prime example of their production. This is the model which has a magnification range from 6 to 24 and a 56 millimeter entry lens. It's a mil scope with all general features which can also be found by other I.O.R scopes. It comes with a really basic owner manual which shows how to zero the rifle scope, you get some basic information about the reticle. In this manual also some technical data and so on, and some basic maintenance and care guidelines. It also comes with a warranty. The warranty is for 30 years from the date when the scope was produced. So the warranty range is really long. You also get a cleaning cloth, a sunshade, and some basic bikini covers for the lenses. So the scope has a magnification range from 6 all the way to 24. This is a general magnification range for tactical use. The magnification factor is 4 times. This is really interesting because most of the I.O.R scopes have a really big zoom factors. This one with 4 times zoom is almost an exception to the rule. And like other I.O.R scopes, it's really big and really heavy. You get a feeling of great reliability because of this. It is really a robust scope. As you can see, even the magnification ring has a small throw lever for easier handling. You can also see that every part is machined so that it gives good grip and nice feel. Also, the optical properties are, especially for this price range, almost outstanding. The glass used is made by Schott in Germany, while all the coatings and all other production phases are done in I.O.R in Bucharest. You really get a bright and very sharp image with this scope. But on the other hand, it is 35 centimeters long and it weighs 1 kilogram. What is also unusual is the central tube diameter, which is 35 millimeters. I.O.R also produces rings for this scope, and there are also some other manufacturers which produce rings with a 35 millimeter diameter. What is also nice about this scope, it has a fast focus and a really long eye relief, 9.5 centimeters in general. You also get really nice eye box with this scope. The picture is always big and it only has a small tunnel effect on the lower magnifications, which is also quite usual with tactical scopes. The reticle is in the first focal plane, like it should be in a tactical scope. That means that reticle subtensions are always in the same proportion to the target at any magnification setting. And the reticle magnification subtensions are in mils. That means that each line is divided by 10 centimeter subtensions on 100 meters. The clicks are also matched to this. They are in mils also, and that means that one click is approximately 1 centimeter per 100 meters. So you always have 10 clicks between each line in the reticle. This is why this is a mil scope. The reticle is also illuminated. You have a digital illumination system which is controlled with these two buttons, plus and minus. It also has an automatic switch off function, and it's meant only for low light use. It is not bright enough for daytime use, and at such high magnification this is not really needed. The turrets, as you can see, are really big, but they offer great feel, and the clicks are really audible. You can see that the turret have a counterclockwise rotation, and the travel of the reticle in one circle is exactly 10 mils, 1 meter per 100 meters. Each revolution, each turn is marked by a line underneath the turret, so you can see in which turn you are located. You also have a second indicator to help for, let's say, if you have this scope zeroed at 100 meters, and then you can move this second indicator to the clicks which mark 300 meters or something similar. Both turrets, the windage and the elevation, can be reset. You just need to unscrew or untight the screws, and then you can move them without clicks and reset them back to zero. Like I said, the feeling is nice, they're big, and you can clearly see all the markings. The parallax is controlled on the side focus, on the side turret. It really doesn't have a lot of range. It goes from from 10 meters to infinity. However, everything happens in less than maybe 100 degrees, not more. A little bit more than 90 degrees, really fast. The parallax turret also carries the battery for the illumination. So, if I make a short summary, this is a great tactical scope. It's a real tactical scope with mil matched reticle subtensions and clicks. It is optically very good, especially for the price point. The prices of these scopes are much lower in Europe than they are in the States. So you get a really good optical properties, optical performance for their price. They have a 30 years warranty. Well, the downside is that they are a little bit big and heavy. We could even say clumsy. But on the other hand, they are really robust and reliable. So thank you for watching. For all additional information, please click the link below and visit our webpage. Or you can send us any kind of questions on our email or use the comment box below. Thank you.